Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can fix AMD driver not working. So type device manager in settings here, well in the search bar, then go to your display adapters, right click on the driver and select update driver. Select search automatically for drivers, and then as you can see it's been installed. If not, you're going to go back here and then browse my computer for drivers, and then let me pick from a list of available drivers and then select this one and then select next and install it. If that still doesn't work, right click and select properties and then go to driver and select rollback driver. If the device fails after updating, it's going to roll back to the previously installed driver. If that still doesn't work, you just need to update your Windows, and once you've done that, just restart. It's super simple, but I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.